Rach, what are you doing?
Hey Chloe, I've decided I am going to go on a detox. I'm going to go 100% vegan and sugar-free.
You know what, Rachel? That is the best idea ever.
It's the best idea!
Because New Year's is the best time of year to detox.
Chloe, New Year's is the only time to detox.
But may I add my 2 cents?
Yeah, sure, go for it.
Because yesterday on Google I read about grains, and grains are really inflammatory for the body, so I think you should definitely avoid grains as well.
Okay, yeah, no problem. I can do that. I can go 100% vegan, sugar-free, and grain-free.
Oh wait, I forgot one more thing. I also read yesterday on Google about legumes, and legumes contain something called lectins, and lectins are like the devil. They are so inflammatory for the body, they stop your body from absorbing minerals, and they cause joint pain.
Oh my god, Chloe, that sounds just awful. What do I do?
Rachel, you know what you need to do? You can't just go vegan.
Yeah.
You also have to go grain-free, sugar-free, and lectin-free as well.
Okay, yeah, no problem. I can do that, sure. Thanks.
Rachel, put the carrot down!
What?
It's not safe.
Why?
Because Google said for optimal detoxification, you
Yeah.
actually need to do 100% juice cleanse.
A juice cleanse?
Yeah.
You know what? That sounds like a really good idea because that means I don't actually have to chew my food. I can just drink my food.
And it's such a good idea because it takes all the load off the gut, so your gut doesn't have to digest anything.
Oh, Chloe, this is the best detox. I'm going to be preparing all of my food this afternoon. I'm going to juice everything.
So I've just really thought about juice cleansing.
Uh-huh.
And if you're juice cleansing and there's no fiber in the juice, it's
Yeah.
all been taken out,
Yeah.
it could actually spike your blood sugar levels.
Oh my god, Chloe, does that mean that I can actually become diabetic? Oh my god, I can't become diabetic. Like, what do I do? Like, I'm getting really overwhelmed with all this detoxing stuff.
It's okay. I've got the best idea ever. This is literally the latest detox trend.
Okay.
Are you ready for
I'm
it?
totally ready for it. Let's do this. Chloe, I am ready for all the detoxing that we want.
It's a water fast.
A water
You
fast?
literally don't eat or drink anything else for 40 days. It is going to change your life.
Okay.
You've got this.
Okay.
You can do it, Rach.
Yeah.
Good luck.
Is that dirt? I can't drink water either.
If you want to start the year detoxing so that you can have clearer skin,
I wouldn't mind some clearer skin.
better digestive health,
I'm all about those good bowel motions.
and shed a few Christmas kgs, whilst not breaking the bank on unnecessary detox supplements,
Right, I'm off to Bali. Ciao.
then make sure you stick around for the Wellness Twins tip of the week.
So Chloe, what is the tip of the week exactly?
Well, Rachel, the tip of the week is eat more dark green leafy vegetables.
No, not more greens. Why?
Yes, Rachel, more dark green leafy vegetables. And the reason for it is because dark green leafies actually contain a pigment called chlorophyll, which supports natural detoxification processes.
Interesting. And so what would actually happen if we didn't eat our greens?
Well, we are exposed to man-made chemicals in our environment, in our food, and in our water. And so if we do not support our natural detoxification processes, we are unable to remove these chemicals from our body effectively, which means they can then accumulate, which can increase our risk of obesity, diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and even Alzheimer's.
Okay, so if we don't want to get those diseases later in life, then we should probably eat our greens.
Yes, we should.
Okay, Chloe, so tell me, how many serves of greens do we actually need to be eating a day?
3 serves of green leafy vegetables per day to support detoxification.
3 serves?
Uh-huh.
Really? 3 serves of greens a day? Oh.
Rachel, just chill out. It's not that difficult. Here, let me show you how easy it is.
Please
You ready?
do. I'm ready.
So for breakfast, you could throw in a handful of baby spinach into your smoothie for breakfast, and you won't even know it's in there. Here, give it a go.
Okay. All I can taste is berries.
And that's because it's got mixed berries, it's got half a banana, almond milk and protein powder, and a handful of baby spinach.
Okay, well that's pretty good. I can do that. That's achievable.
It's pretty easy, isn't
Yeah,
it?
totally.
And then for lunch, You could have for your salad, so obviously a base of greens and then putting your other vegetables in there. Or alternatively, if you're having a wrap, making sure you're always putting a base of dark green leaf vegetables. So here we have baby cow leaves.
So this is not all that you're going to be having for lunch, everyone. You are not just going to be having greens for lunch. When you're eating healthy, it's not just leaves.
No.
You do have to add other sources of protein and other vegetables into that to make it substantial.
Yeah, that's just the base. So making sure you are adding it as the base onto your wrap. And then at dinner time, you could chop up some silver beet, which is what I have here, and saute it lightly with some minced garlic and tamari sauce, and then have that as your side to dinner time.
Well, I'll just say, guys, that's pretty easy.
Are you sold, Rach?
I'm sold. Bottoms up. To summarize, to support daily detoxification, we just need to be eating a handful of leafy green vegetables 3 times a day at breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and changing up the variety of leafy greens that we actually eat.
Nailed it! Woo! Exactly what you need to do. Eat those greens daily and making sure you're having a mixture. So things like rocket, baby spinach, kale, silver beet, bok choy, and you'll have clearer skin, better digestive health. Your whole body will thank you for it. Plus, you'll save lots of money and avoiding unnecessary detoxification supplements.
Woo, I'm off to Bali.
Let's go.
Let's go. Okay. Well, thank you for watching, and until next time, we are the Wellness Twins, empowering you to
Nourish your body,
rewire your mindset, and ignite change. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.